Alex Peterson here with another project by Apex Window Werks. Today we're going to show you a step-by-step process of a broken glass replacement. Follow me, guys. When our estimators come out to your residence, they mark the windows that require our attention. As you can see here, there's a crack on the inside of the glass, and we're going to be replacing that with a brand new thermal pane unit. Let's take a look at the work in progress. At this stage, our technicians are taking off the glazing beads that secure the glass within the window frame. Our technicians went ahead and installed the new thermal pane unit into the sash, and now we're getting ready to put the sash back into the window frame. In conclusion, we replaced the cracked glass with a brand new thermal pane unit, giving the window a new look. You can visit us at apexwindowwerks.com to gain more information about other services we provide, or give us a call for a free quote today at 847-884-7490.